raise our leaders high beneath your skies where grace meets sky. Grant them wisdom, grant them peace to guide our island. Blessings never cease. Cover them, Lord, with your righteous hand. Steady their path across the sacred land. PNP voices steadfast and true. May your light ignite all they pursue. Bless each senator, each parliament soul. Guard their hearts, make corruption fall. With depth of mind to steer the course, renew their strength, divine their force. Cover them, Lord, with your righteous hand. Steady their path across the sacred land. PNP voices steadfast and true. May your light ignite all they pursue. Unity we seek, truth we crave, courage to lead, justice to save, mercy's touch and wisdom's frame. Let their work lift high your name. Cover them, Lord, with your righteous hand. Steady their path across the sacred land. Grant them vision fierce and free. Jamaica's a hope in you.